To transfer Shiba Inu from Bitmart to Robinhood, follow these steps. The process is easy and quick, so it's essential to complete it from start to finish. First, open the Robinhood app and click on the search icon, which may be located at the bottom or top right of the screen, depending on the version of the app. This will take you to a browse page, where you'll need to click on the search bar and type Shiba to select the Shiba Inu option from the available cryptocurrencies. After selecting Shiba Inu, scroll down and click on the Receive button to obtain the wallet address. On the next screen, you'll see a QR code and the wallet address. Click the Copy Address button to copy the wallet address. Next, open the Bitmart app, log in to your account, and click on the Assets option at the bottom. This page will display all the cryptocurrencies in your Bitmart account. Select the Shiba Inu option, or use the search bar to find it if it's not immediately visible. Once you've selected Shiba Inu, you'll see three options: deposit, withdraw, and exchange. Click on the Withdraw button. On the next page, paste the wallet address into the provided box and enter the amount you want to transfer in the second box. Then, click the Withdraw button at the bottom. Clicking this button will initiate the transfer of Shiba Inu from Bitmart to Robinhood.